Hello and welcome to your future student experience. My name is Rosa and I am your Avatar Tutor. Predictions about the future are challenging and usually inaccurate, but it is important that we take time to evaluate multiple futures, possible, probable and desirable, to create our own vision for the future. Future thinking allows us to plan and prepare, and to backcast to mitigate risks and create the vision we want for ourselves, our students and our institutions. Over the past 6 months, teams from the UK and Australia have been supported by Advance HE to analyse current trends and potential drivers and disruptors of the higher education sector, to envision the future student experience. The reports, available here, have examined the technological, social, environmental and economic factors that could impact the sector. The Deakin University team imagined the embedded community university, a university which is part of an ecosystem that builds and maintains strong relationships between local communities and industries to engage in joint decision-making towards innovative solutions and a shared purpose. Students have seamless access to knowledge and resources, including indigenous knowledges, which is actionable for local issues, across geodispersed communities. Teams from Greenwich University and the University Alliance have explored the role of extended reality, virtual, augmented and mixed reality, and how it can be combined with artificial intelligence to create immersive persistent environments to enhance hybrid learning. The Staffordshire University team examined how an AI-driven avatar could support and facilitate learning and how students can be guided to their optimal learning path through sophisticated learning analytics. All of the reports are now available to Advance HE members. Drawing from the report findings, we have used design fiction approaches to create 4 future-focused models of higher education to help you imagine other possibilities and think about what and who shapes it. In the Metaversity, extended reality technologies provide persistent, intense, engaged and collaborative 3D multimodal learning experiences. Learners develop practical and vocational skills through extensive experiential learning, and are in demand in the increasingly competitive job market. Universitas is an ununiversity, learning is space and provider agnostic, taking place in the workplace, the further education sector and through a proliferation of alternative providers. Students learn at a pace and place that suits them, selecting providers by their reputation and the opportunities they provide, but also that chime with their personal values. There is no need for inter-university rivalry or indeed individual universities at all. Analytica uses data about the learner's aptitude and aspirations matched to pedagogic approaches to provide an optimal personalized learning experience that will maximize their chances of success. And finally, the hyperlocal campuses that form CampusConnect are located within communities to provide a learning hub that brings together students, educators, civic partners, and the public to provide relevant, engaging and innovative curricula. We will explore these scenarios at an online workshop facilitated by some of the report authors. Do join us to reflect on how your own practice is evolving and the possible, plausible and probable futures for our sector.